Starting, guys. Look, we got snow. We actually got snow. It's snowing, guys. Oh, it's snowing. Oh, you can't see me, but happy snow day. See, but I got my candle, my coffee, the snow. It's hard to see. I don't have an aesthetically pleasing view here. We're vibing. We're vibing. Snowy. Day. My mom was like, oh, delayed opening. We're opening at 12 today. I'm like, you're out of your mind. I'm not going in. Our mall is so out of touch. But it's a high-end mall. But like any other mall will tell you a day in advance, okay, the weather's going to be bad. We're just going to stay closed for precaution. Our mall, no. Open. Come on in, guys. We want money. It blows my mind. It's not like I'm trying to make a video or anything. She's dreaming of a white Christmas. She is focused. Oh. The radar's going off. What do you see? Oh, how cute. Hey, update. It's an ocean of snow. Literally looks like a blizzard out here. Which I haven't seen in a long time, so. Lottie don't know what to do with herself. She don't know what to do with herself. It's really been a long time since we've had like a snow. I don't know if it's either been like 2018 when we had like the foot of snow, almost 2 feet of snow. That might have been the last time it snowed like this. Idiot's still trying to go out in the snow. Like, it's still, stay home. You guys don't need to be going out. You don't look like you're dressed to be going anywhere. Yeah, I know. The way I haven't moved from this couch, from the left seat, I don't even know. It's still coming down. My guess is we're at 5 to 6 inches. Okay, update. Ocean of snow is continuing. It's crazy. It's crazy. She's enjoying her coziness. Come on. Honey. Come on. Come on. Okay, guys, it is still coming down. Come on, mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. honey. Hi. Come on. Come on. So covered. Come on. Let's go. Come on, honey. Okay, I think we've hit like 13 hours in a row, like 13 hours straight it's been snowing. Wow. Pasta, drinking a little wine. My dog. I got some jazz music playing. Who's going on right now? And, I mean, I look like a slob, don't mind the slob. And the snow is still coming down out there. I mean, like, coming down. It's been over 12 hours. More like 13, 14 hours. I don't know how I feel about this Chardonnay that I have. I've had it for almost 2 years and I never drank it. I have so much wine that I don't drink. I didn't have the wine that I thought I had, so I was like, well, this looks good. I bought it was on sale at Trader Joe's. The Delicious Monster 2024 from McGregor. Alright, I feel like we're near the end. Oh, I can't even see. Oh, there it is. It's coming down still, but not as heavy. We're near the home stretch, I guess, of it. Last video of the night. We still got a little bit of light snow. Good night. Nice little snowy, sunny morning here. This little sun's trying to peek through, but nice little atmosphere. Cute. No, I can't see. There you go. Pretty. Hi guys, happy February 1st. Feeling the vibes today. It's a very snowy morning. Had some kid just knock at my door. I think he was wanting to sweep my front of my apartment door, like outside, because the wind, it blew the snow all in the hallways. But they want you to tip. I got tip money, sorry. We didn't get any ice, so I don't know if that makes it better for the roads, but it's still under freezing, so I don't know if that's gonna, like, it, yeah. There was 100+ car pileup down the road. It was like a whole thing yesterday. I'm like, well, you bitch, you knew. Anyway, but the sun's out, not a cloud in the sky. The glow is real. Like, a snow glow really does wonders for the face. But, yeah. I mean, people are driving. The snow is just like powder. It's not like a snow. I haven't seen that in years, so I don't know if that's even a thing anymore. This is just like powder, like 12 inches of powder. So people are just like, whoo, you know, just like brushing that shit off their car like it's nothing. So maybe that's why people feel it's safe. But the roads are still, I mean, they're wet, so they have to be freezing a bit. Plus, we still have ice from last week, you know, so yeah. So who knows? Whatever. Guys, I only worked 2 days last week. What a week because of all the snow and ice between the 2 weekends here, this weekend and last weekend. Last weekend we had all the ice shit, so we were closed for like 3 days. I had a normal day off in between, like in with that. I worked for 2 full days, and then I was off 1 day. Yesterday was a snow day, so we were closed. Today I'm just off again, so I go back tomorrow. So who knows what goes on with that, but I think tomorrow we should be fine. Like, this is like nothing, I guess. So I guess we'll see. I know, honey. She don't let me have time. She won't let me have any alone time. Guys, good morning. Happy Monday, icy, snowy morning. Today's Groundhog Day, February 2nd. I need this groundhog to think real carefully how he wants to proceed with this morning. Otherwise, we're all having rotisserie, what is he, groundhog, for dinner. This is the look. Warm, cozy look today. I gotta de-snow my car again. I'm not looking forward to it. I hope the road's fine. I gotta go to work. Saw a shadow or something like that. So that means we have 6 more weeks of winter. I need management. Who is the manager? I need Miss Groundhog because Mrs. Groundhog, your little son here is causing so much trauma and stress to us people who are tired of winter. Let's do this. Let's try. It's bad when the train is stopping. What? And I smell something's burning, and that's making me nervous. Because what is that? I hope that better be the train. I get going slow is one thing, but we cannot stop. If we stop, we can't go again. If my car stops, I can't go on this ice. So we have to just go. And you know it's bad when the trains are just done. The trains are like not moving. I saw a snowman. He was on Ozempic. How cute. You know global warming's a thing when the snow is even Ozempic. We can't even make fat snowmen anymore. The snow is just powder. It's not thick, it's not lumpy. Oh my god, the snow's on Ozempic. Did you ever? Guys, I'm leaving the mall. That didn't last long. One accident, one manager hit a tree, another fell on ice, is going to the ER. I'm like, the mall is so stupid for having us risk our lives to come to work to what? So close? Get out of here. This is stupid. This is stupid. On the bright side, the snow glow. Yes. Anyway. Alright, update because I haven't filmed anything. I mean, I've been making little videos here and there, trying on outfits today. I'm seeing these bugs everywhere. And why, first of all, why are there bugs in my house? It is 8.5 degrees outside, so like, what is this? Guys, what is this? They've been around my apartment for a very long time. If anybody knows what this is. Why must they paint my wall? This is the cozy fit today. Not much going on. I get sleepy out of boredom. I just want to eat. I'm just laying in bed. I've been editing videos, trying on clothes. I was gonna go to my second job tonight, but they're closing at 7. And I normally work at 9. No, I work at 5 to 9. So there's no purpose of me driving down for, like, it takes me almost an hour to get there as it is. So I'm gonna waste an hour to drive down for 2 hours and come back another hour with ice everywhere? No, hell no. So, I'm just being lazy today. Well, update. We're looking a little slushy. You look over here, we're still white. I mean, it's not hitting anywhere. We're nowhere near 30 degrees at all. We're in the 20s all week. Like, we're going to be in the 20s all week in teens. So we're not even going to get above freezing for this to really melt much. Oy.